How to check your Gmail password on iPhone. So if you want to check your Gmail password on iPhone, all you have to do is launch the settings application. Once you launch the settings app, just scroll and look for the passwords app. So just go ahead and look for passwords. If you don't find it, you can also go to the apps tab and go to the passwords application from here. So let me just quickly go ahead and select that. Once I've selected passwords, what I can do is I can authenticate and start and see all my passwords. So I can select open passwords over here and I can verify with my Face ID. Then I can see all passwords, and within all passwords I can tap the search bar, and if I've saved my Gmail or my Google password, I can select that. I can select that particular Gmail password and I can tap on this password tab to verify my Face ID and be able to see my password. And this way I will be able to go ahead and check my Gmail password on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.